Should you lie to women? The answer to that question is no. Wait, before you hop on shit and come on my fucking page and start saying that dumb shit, just fucking listen. Shut the fuck up and fucking listen. Now, the reason why I say you should not lie to women is because number one, they are spiteful as fuck. Now, we all know that women are emotional beings. That's what makes them be so fucking spiteful, is because they are emotional. And no, it's not because I just love them and I don't want to see them get hurt. I think they just these little beautiful things and it's far from it. The women are in this spiteful mindset. They go out their way to do some very dumb shit. I'm gonna give you an example. My mother told me a story about her ex-husband and he was having an affair with another woman. But he was going back and forth telling they ass different shit. So one day my mom, she gets this feeling to just go over to girl's house that he was having an affair with. And sure enough, this fucking car was in front of her damn house. So you know what she does? She fucking crashes his car with her car. Now remind you, this is my mother. At that time, I didn't even know she was even capable of doing some shit like that. And you wanna know the craziest thing that she told me after the fact? She told me that he lucky that he wasn't outside because she probably would have ran his ass over and her over too. It's just an example of what happens when you lie to a woman and they become spiteful. Like, I know some of y'all wanna lie to get some pussy, but I promise you that pussy ain't as good as what's gonna be waiting for your ass when she find out that you lied to her. She will put you through hell. And if y'all really wanna see a perfect example of that, watch the movie with Martin Lawrence, A Thin Line Between Love and Hate. Let's say you just say, fuck everything I'm talking about. I'm gonna lie to they ass and I'm gonna get this pussy however the fuck I want to. Let's just say you say that. I hope you know how to fight. Gotta remember, some of these girls got brothers, uncles, and dads. Well, your ass better be taking kung fu, boxing, shit, kickbox, I don't know. You better be doing something, especially if you're gonna take that route. The second reason why you shouldn't lie to women is because they already know you lying. Like, I'm trying to drill this shit in y'all heads. Women deal with a lot of men, a lot of weirdos, all fucking day. They hear the same lie all the fucking time. So if you think for 1 second that you're gonna bring your happy meal ass in there and that you're gonna lie to this girl just to get some pussy and she not gonna know you lying, you fucking stupid. Because women hear so many lies and they deal with so many weirdos, and sometimes some of these fucking weirdos just slip right through the fucking cracks and they never want that shit to happen again. That is why women made what we call the shit test. Like, sometimes y'all don't even be lying coming out y'all mouth. Y'all lie in y'all actions. Acting real confident one time, and then she tests your ass, and then all of a sudden you just crumble the fuck down. Now she know it was a fucking lie, you wasn't really confident. Women are great at reading body language. You ever watch Dragon Ball Z when they can read people's power levels? That's how women is when you lying. They can tell right away that you a fucking liar. You just being hesitant, or you made a twist after you said something, like, yo, they already know that you just lied. You looking for reasons not to fuck you. So for you to lie, you already decreasing your having sex rate. Another reason why I would recommend that you do not lie to women is because you cannot remember every fucking lie that you tell. That's exactly why the reason why mad motherfuckers get caught in cases. Because they tell a lie and then they can't remember the goddamn lie, and then the motherfucking police make them retell their story, and then their whole story is so different than the first story that they had. The reason why you can't remember a lie is because it really didn't happen. So how can you remember something that didn't even happen? Lying only makes it worse. Especially when you can't remember the shit. Women test you on this shit too. You would tell their ass a lying ass story, and then like fucking months later, they gonna ask you about that same damn story, and then your whole fucking story is different. And now you just missed out on some ass. Last but not least, they respect you more when you don't lie to them. Now let me tell y'all something right quick. You do not have to lie to a woman, but you don't have to also tell the truth. Look, I'm about to drop some fucking game right here. Now for an example, say a woman asks you this question: how many dates have you been on in the last month? And now let's say you haven't been on any fucking dates. Now I know they tell you to be like, give an actual real number, but I say some shit like, I lost count. Now I didn't lie to her. She asked me how many dates I've been on, and I just told her I lost count. That can mean any fucking thing. Thing that you can do when a woman is asking you a question that you scared to answer, or you don't know the answer and you don't want to fucking lie, Answer the question in a way where you didn't answer the fucking question all the way. Like you halfway answer the question. Answer the question in a way where she can make up her own beliefs. Like you answer the question, but it's up in the air. She has to think, oh, maybe he been on 10, maybe he been on 20. She actually doesn't know. She has to make up her own rationalization. You can do this with any question she asks you that you just don't want to fucking lie about. So now later on in life, when she asks you the same fucking question, you could possibly tell her the truth about it, and then she can't come back and be like, but you told me this. No, the fuck I didn't. That's what you thought I was telling you. I just told you some shit and you just rationalized whatever you believed. That's game right there. And last but not least, they respect you more when you tell the fucking truth. Let me tell y'all something, man. At least 90 to 95% of people that you encounter is gonna be a fucking lie. You won't really find a lot of genuine people in this world. And that's some sad, sick, twisted, red pill shit that I'm gonna tell y'all. So the fact that when you find somebody who's real and who's gonna tell you the truth no matter what, it's almost like finding a gold mine. And that's the same thing with women. And I know a lot of y'all will come on here complaining about how you told a girl the truth and she stopped talking to you. Like if y'all just going around telling women that y'all just want to fuck, or you ain't been on a date in a year, or that you don't talk to nobody, or you talk to hella women, because all of that is a fucking turn off. If y'all take anything from this video, just know that you don't lie to women, but you don't also have to tell them the truth neither. Let her believe whatever the fuck she want to believe. Let her make up her own story about what she want to believe.